Hello Cricut buddies, Jeff here from Cricut Maker Craft.
In today's video, I'm sharing how to make this gorgeous layered mermaid wall art. It's super cute and would make a perfect wall art for any girl's room. Or you can hang it in your craft room like I did.
Now before we get started with today's tutorial, I want to share a couple of announcements. So first of all, I'm running a milestone giveaway. Once I hit 10k subscribers on my YouTube, I'm gonna give away a Cricut Maker bundle. So if you want to win this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Secondly, I wanted to share this amazing video that I created for everyone just starting out with Cricut or don't know what SVGs or SVG cut files are. So go ahead and sign up for this completely free training video. The link is given in the description below. Also, if you are new to the Cricut world and finding it hard to remember all the tasks that you need to perform with your Cricut, then go ahead and grab this set of cheat sheets that I created just for you. It's only $15 and you get this 40-page set of cheat sheets with all the diagrams and everything about everything that you need to do with your Cricut. So let me just read out some of the stuff that are included. So there's the description on everything about design space, the left hand side panel, the right hand side panel, how to cut, how to mirror, how to group, how to ungroup. Everything is given in this set of cheat sheets that you just need to download. You can print it out and keep it beside your Cricut, or you can just leave it on your device to refer to it whenever you feel like. So when I was getting started, this really helped me in remembering everything that I needed to remember about my Cricut. So go ahead and grab this. It's only $15. The link is given in the description down below.
So let's get started. Here are the things that you'll be needing for this project. First off, you'll need 10 different colors of cardstock, a different color for each layer. It's best to use cardstock from one paper pack so it goes together as a theme. Next, you'll need double-sided adhesive foam, or you can use a glue gun and cardboard scraps like I did. You'll obviously need the Mermaid Art SVG from the Design Space library, and I'm going to show you how to get that in just a minute. One thing to note here is that since this is a paid Cricut Access project, it's only available for the US residents. Unfortunately, if you're outside of the States, you won't be able to purchase this. Lastly, you can use a chipboard to make a stable back. This is completely optional though. I made mine without the backing and it worked pretty fine. There isn't much we're gonna do in Design Space, so I haven't included a separate tutorial for the iPad for this video. First off, open up Design Space. From your canvas, click on Projects. In the search bar, type Mermaid and you'll see the project we're working on over here. Click on the project. Next, click on Customize. Next, if you like, you can resize the project. So I want mine to be 11-inch in size. I wanted to make it bigger, but this size fits perfectly on a 12 by 12 inch cardstock, so I'm sticking to 11. Once you're happy with the size, click on Make It. Go ahead and purchase the file. If you are not a Cricut Access member, you'd have to pay 99 cents. But if you have the Cricut Access, it's going to be free for you. Next, select your material. I'm using medium cardstock, so I'm going to select that from the materials. All right, now let's cut this out. So these are the two different sets of paper that I'd be using. It's best to use heavy cardstock for this project so it stays stiff. Something around 80 pounds or above is good. If you can get some textured cardstock, it will look much better. Before you start cutting, spend some time carefully choosing the papers. I spent roughly 30 minutes on this task, and as I was planning, I marked each paper based on the layer I was going to use it for. Arrange your papers layer-wise and start cutting from the bottommost layer. Alright, so here are all my stuff. They're arranged based on the layers starting from the second bottommost layer. I actually skipped the bottom and the topmost layers because it was so hard to pick so many different papers. So these are the cardboard scraps that I'll be using to give a 3D effect to the art. And I'll be using my glue gun to glue these. So let's start by flipping this stack over. So this is my base. And this is the second layer, which will go on top. So I'm just going to flip this over and start adding the cardboards along the border and the center. Next, I'm going to flip this over and place it on top of the base so that everything is aligned perfectly. Next, I'm going to add glue one at a time to attach it to the base, making sure the alignment stays perfect. I'm going to repeat this for all the layers. Now, when you're on the first mermaid layer, you need to attach 4 layers of cardboard under the head, because as you can see from the sides here, so far we have 3 layers of cardboard. And to keep this balanced and to make sure the head stays lifted, we need to add 4 layers of cardboard here. I'm gonna go ahead and place the remaining layers like this. So I'm a bit confused about the hair though, and I also lost the mermaid's top somewhere during the cutting, so my mermaid is basically topless. So here are both my artworks, and I think this looks pretty fine without the top. And I opted for the purple hair, which I cut out from the purple fall cardstock. And this is my working space after completing this project.
Alright, with that we have reached the end of today's tutorial. Hope you girls and guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a Cricut Maker bundle when I hit 10K. I'll now see you in the next video. Bye bye!